Mikatasa is a manufacturer of high-quality adhesives and coatings. We distribute our paints, glues, and similar products to over 15,000 retail stores across Indonesia. We've been on this path of modernizing our backend technology, having nearly all our workloads on the AWS cloud. In the past, we had about 30 people on our IT team doing backend work and mundane tasks like maintenance, but with AWS, we've reduced the number of staff working on maintenance by 50%. That frees up resources to focus on front-end solutions for our customers. One example is the recent introduction of our online ordering system. We're building layers and layers of information on top of raw data, and AWS provides us with the convenience of accessing that data, analyzing it, and facilitating information sharing. We're now more nimble and agile in responding to market changes and opportunities, modernizing our business to better serve our customers.